Hey TABIYASTICs, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be sharing steps for making an aesthetic Instagram story using the app Nichi. Also I'm gonna upload videos daily from today until 31st of August. So please share your video suggestions in the comments below. So for this edit you guys need the app Nichi obviously, and in the Nichi app there are various templates. Some are on pro, some are for free, and you can create your own from scratch too. But in today's edit I am gonna use a template, a minimalist template. So here I am adjusting the I'm editing the text. You can easily adjust the font and everything of the text. You can easily delete or add on any element here. You can easily add on pictures just clicking the plus sign, and yeah, you can easily change the frames and border of the pictures. For today's edit I am going with this black frame, and yeah, now you can easily change the BG, and there are several aesthetic backgrounds here. I am going with this check one for today's edit. Also you can add on elements, stickers. So many aesthetic stickers are here. I am just loving it, and I'm gonna use the August calendar here, and also I will thinking of adding a vintage touch by adding a newspaper cutout from here. And here some stickers are on pro and some are for free. So yeah, there are various stickers are on free, so you can easily go for it. Also here I am going to add a flower too, and here there is a feature top, bottom and duplicate one, and here I am using the top feature which will add a real touch to the edit. Also you just have to click the save icon and then the confirm icon, and yes, you are good to save it to your gallery. Also for uploading it on IG, just open your IG and yeah, just choose the picture you have edited and add on aesthetic lofi musics here, and yeah, you are good to go. Also I hope you guys like the tutorial, and more such videos on the way, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Love you all, bye.